Yo, welcome back to it, man. You still tune into Straight Up and Down, happening right here on channel 260, God of the Universe, Lord Number, and they out here with Order April. Thanks for tuning in, man. We're going straight to the second topic tonight. The slash.
Yeah, bro. Second topic, Lawe. It's related to Lome's sister that was trending for the couple of weeks, Lawe.
Yeah.
Zille, Tracy Zille. Tracy who?
Tracy Zille.
Tracy Zille, ne?
Yeah.
I think her name is Tracy Zille, or his name is Tracy Zille. So, like, she was stating some facts, hiding behind a fake identity.
Sure.
Right? So now my question is, does it matter where does the truth comes from? Yeah. Does it matter, okay, if it comes from a fake identity, but it's the truth nonetheless? Yeah. Does it matter, bro?
So what ile ibangela nami question some of the philosophies as far as reading yonke la yothatha knowledge is concerned, because mina bendisubscribe to the idea yoba in order to read the text okanye to get the information, first you have to study the author yayo. How credible is the person that is bringing forth the knowledge? If by credible source, then you can take knowledge your court. But looking at situations of abantu hiding behind these handles, because this is not the first person la way to do this. There's also la lenuka la of who advocate very little, yeah, bo.
Yeah.
There's been an issue about the identity of ngubani grand low handlisha la account, yeah, bo. So you follow as you know, and you find that these people, they do spit bars la way. Every now and then they bring in knowledge la way ebalulekileyo that could help la way abantu abaninzi abazifollowayo izinto, abanye they can bring insight into izinto abanye abantu abangazi-understandiyo, yabo. So I don't know, dog, la way, I don't know where I stand mina kule situation nje.
I think there's I think when you you eat the meat and you leave the bones.
Yeah.
You throw away the bone. Sure. So also now situation in if banangaba comes through with some facts, with the truth, it doesn't matter baba ngumuntu ongubani, ngumuntu sukaphi, ngumuntu onjani. Just take the facts, take the truth, and leave everything else that is not gonna be beneficial to your life yako. Sure, that's how I believe. When it comes to the situation, baba, where does the truth come from?
Yeah. And ubona la way amaxesha amaninzi kwizinto abantu who are hiding behind as handles la way bayazi bana if uboniwe bangu-Odwa April, then he's going to be targeted. Abantu start to look into issues zakho, yabo, where your money is coming from, yabo, who are the people around wena, and they will poison aba bantu against wena, so that ideology yakho ingazonikwa i-chance to pick up momentum okanye to reach lenduka abantu abaninzi, which is a problem la way, because indlela zobhulisha abantu and to silence abantu eziya, yabo.
And also now abantu that are hiding behind if fake identities, they have a tendency of bullying abantu, knowing that abazofunyanwa and be brought into question because of baba, they just an identity.
Yeah.
Well, so now they can say baba so and so did A, B, and C. Yeah, well, lamntwana akwazi defend against umuntu ongakhoyo kanye umuntu ongaziwayo bangubana.
Yeah iyafana.
So abantu nabo should stop being reckless.
I don't know, dog. I feel like opposite right now let's accept information, but obviously we're not going to accept information as a figure. We're going to have to scrutinize every bit of information that comes in. If that way it prove about worthy of the indulge, can you see entertain, then we can entertain it. But it's stay careful that way. We need to find ways to hold them accountable so that bangabhulisha abanye abantu, yabo, but it's not protected at the same time. All right, man. Yo, we're going to take a little detour. When we come back, we're hitting you with the third topic. Straight Up and Down, channel 260, Friday evenings will never be the same. The father of civilization and OD slash. Yeah.